Welcome to Bike Insider, your go-to source for detailed reviews and insights on the latest two-wheelers. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the most popular commuter motorcycles in India, the Honda CD110 Dream. This bike is known for its fuel efficiency, low maintenance, and smooth performance, making it a preferred choice among daily riders. Let's dive into the features, performance, and overall experience this bike has to offer. Design and build. The Honda CD110 Dream carries a simplistic yet robust design, making it perfect for the practical commuter. The bike has a clean and minimalistic look, highlighted by a muscular fuel tank and striking graphics that add a bit of modern flair. The seat is long and comfortable, designed to ensure rider comfort even during long commutes. The overall build quality reflects Honda's reliable engineering, offering durability and sturdiness to tackle everyday wear and tear on Indian roads. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda CD110 Dream is a 19.51cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine producing 8.67 bhp at 7,500 RPM and 9.3 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. This BS6 compliant engine is equipped with Honda's advanced PGM-FI programmed fuel injection technology, which enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. The engine is mated to a smooth 4-speed gearbox, providing seamless gear shifts, which adds to the convenience of city riding. Whether you're navigating congested streets or cruising on highways, the CD110 Dream delivers a balanced performance with decent power and acceleration for a commuter bike in this segment. Comfort and handling. When it comes to comfort, Honda has ensured the CD110 Dream offers a relaxed riding experience. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and hydraulic shock absorbers at the rear, ensuring smooth handling over potholes and bumps. The ergonomically positioned handlebars and well-cushioned seat contribute to the bike's overall comfort, making it suitable for both short city rides and longer commutes. And its lightweight build also makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the Honda CD110 Dream is its impressive fuel efficiency. With Honda's eco-technology, HET, the bike is capable of delivering a mileage of around 65 to 70